But anyway, guys, this is my hair out, so you guys know it's a hair video. And I am freaking nervous because I have the hair dyed in my hair, so it's gonna get all over my hand. I know I can wash it off and stuff, but sis, like, I am too lazy for that. But anyway, guys, to start this look, I'm going to separate my hair. So my line is straight. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in there so I can. Yes, bitch. Okay, y'all see that? My hands were over here getting blue. Okay, I'm going to separate this part, which, like, oh gosh, I have to do that part. This shit really hurts, y'all. Really hurts. Okay, that one does not have to be straight, so I'm just gonna. I'm already getting tired because my hair is freaking tiring. So I got my bottle of water, which does not go well with hair pins, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And it's getting all over me. Jesus, what is going on with me? What am I doing with myself? This is just plain water with a little bit of coconut oil in it. But look at my curls, y'all. My curls looking good. Okay. Oh, if I was doing a refreshing my curls, this would have been good. But I'm not. And I'm gonna go with my extreme gel, which is from the wet line. Like, what were those people thinking calling that shit the wet line? I'm gonna use this a lot to lay this hair down. The thing is, y'all, I don't want wavy here. I want that shit laid. And I know my hair is freaking annoying, so it's gonna do everything in its power to not laid. So I'm the boss of my hair. So guys, just gonna brush, brush, brush. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go with this part now. Okay, you need to do better. You need to be better. Now for this part, I'm gonna use a little bit of water. Okay, it's not spraying because my bangs never went to laid. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna stretch them out. Ooh, yes. With the gel. Boom. And I'm gonna go with my brush. Once this is laid, I am going to wipe it around that part, and I'm going to use bobby pin. Okay. Okay, y'all, so my bun is done. I have some curls here, and I put the freaking dye in it, and I'm just going to put it in my hair. So y'all, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. And funny thing is, guys, this is my first time putting those fake hair on, and I kind of really love it. You can like style it as you want. So